Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Homewood Suites by Hilton Long Island-Melville. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool and a free parking. Located in Plainview, 0.9 miles from Old Bethpage Village Restoration Park, this hotel offers an indoor pool and a hot tub. Accommodations has flat-screen TVs and well-equipped kitchens. For breakfast, guests can enjoy a buffet of American dishes in the elegant breakfast room, featuring wooden beams on the ceiling and a natural stone fireplace. Each unit offers a dining area and seating space. Kitchen facilities include a dishwasher, refrigerator and microwave. Guests who like to stay in shape can benefit from the fitness center provided by Homewood Suites by Hilton Long Island-Melville. Free Wi-Fi access and an on-site business center are also available. Attractions nearby include Adventureland Theme Park, 4.3 miles away, and Long Island Wineries. Use a link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.